Hi, my name is Kaintan Monaye. Welcome to this fourth video on Monitor and Control Project Work. Monitor and Control Project Work is the fourth process in the Integration Management knowledge area, and it falls under the Monitoring and Controlling process group. So let's discuss Monitor and Control Project Work process. First, we want to understand what is Monitor and Control Project Work. According to the PMBOK Guide 5, Monitor and Control Project Work is the process of tracking, reviewing, and reporting the process to meet the performance objectives defined in the project management plan. The key benefit of this process is that it allows stakeholders to understand the current state of the project, the steps taken, and budget, schedule, and scope forecasts. As we discuss along, keep the input, tools, and techniques, as well as the outputs, clear in your mind. The inputs are the work performance data. Remember, the work performance data is an output of the direct and managed process work under the executing process group. Schedule forecasts, cost forecasts, validated changes, work performance information, enterprise environmental factors, and organizational process assets. Tools and techniques are expert judgment, analytical techniques, project management information system, as well as meetings. I think there has been a little error. Work performance data is not part of the input, so just cancel this out. Okay, instead we have work performance information. That is what we have. We have schedule forecasts, okay, we have cost forecasts, we have validated changes, we have work performance information. So instead of work performance data, we have project management plan. Project management plan. That is what we have as a first input. Project management plan. Okay. The outputs are work performance reports. We have change requests. There is a problem. There's no change requests. Work performance reports. We have. Okay, sorry, I'm right. There's change requests. So, work performance report, change requests, project management plan updates, and project document updates. So let's take a closer look at these ITTOs. The monitor and control project work inputs are listed as follows. The first one is a project management plan. Why do we need a project management plan? Because the monitoring and controlling project work involves looking at all aspects of the project. Subsidiary plans within the project management plan form the basis for controlling the project. The subsidiary plan we've discussed before includes requirement management plan, schedule management plan, process improvement plan. We also have cost baseline, schedule baseline, and scope baseline. Another input is schedule forecasts. The schedule forecasts are derived from progress against the schedule baseline and computed time estimates to complete. This typically is expressed in terms of schedule variance and schedule performance index. We will discuss this later when we are going to discuss cost estimation. we may also have the cost forecasts. The cost forecasts are derived from progress against the cost baseline and computed estimates to complete. The cost forecast is typically expressed in terms of cost variance (CV) and cost performance index (CPI). An estimate at completion can be compared to the budget at completion to see if the project is still within tolerances, ranges, or if a change request is required. Another important input to the monitor and control project work is validated changes. Approved changes that result from the project integration and control process require validation to ensure that the change was appropriately implemented. A validated change provides necessary data to confirm that the change was appropriately executed. Work performance information is also an input to monitoring and controlling project work. Remember, we say that work performance data is raw measurement from the executing process group for the direct and managed project work. We say that work performance data is an output. Let's get it right. Work performance data is an output of the direct and managed project work. And now work performance information is an input to monitor and control project work. Alright. We also have enterprise environmental factors, we've discussed these, and organizational process assets. Just as a reminder, organizational process asset might include organizational communication requirements, financial control procedures, issue and defect management procedures, change control procedures, etc. May include lesson length databases. These are the inputs to monitor and control project work. What are the tools and the techniques for monitor and control project work? The tools and techniques are as follows: expert judgment, analytical techniques. I've not listed it here. Analytical techniques is one of the important tool and techniques used. To have analytical techniques applied to project management to forecast potential outcomes based on possible variations of project or environmental variables and their relationship with other variables. Examples of analytical techniques used in projects are regression analysis, group methods, causal analysis, root cause analysis, forecasting methods, for instance time series, scenario building simulation, failure mode and effect analysis, fault tree analysis, reserve analysis, trend analysis, end value management, and variance analysis. All these are analytical techniques. We also have project management information system. We'll discuss this under the direct and managed project work. Just as a reminder, project management system is part of enterprise environmental factors and provides access to automated tools such as scheduling, cost, and resourcing tools, performance indicators, databases, project record, and financials used to monitor and control project work. And of course, we have meetings. What then are the outputs of monitor and control project work? First, we have change requests. As a result of comparing planned results to actual result, change requests may be issued to expand, adjust, or reduce the project scope, product scope or quality requirements, and schedule or cost baselines. Work performance reports. Examples of work performance reports include status reports, memos, justifications, information notes, recommendations, and updates. Project management plan updates is also an output. We also have project document updates. I always like at the end of my presentation to go back to review the ITTOs. Monitor and control project work. The ITTOs, for the input we have project management plan, schedule forecast, cost forecast, validated changes, work performance information, enterprise environmental factors, organizational process assets. Tools and techniques are expert judgment, analytical techniques, and project management information system. We also have meetings. The outputs are work performance reports, change reports, project management plan updates, and project document updates. This is where we wrap it up in our presentation on monitor and control project work. I'd like to thank you for viewing, and please join me in my next presentation on Perform Integrated Change Control.